Yeah, they gonna take your 383 away. The 383. Basically your crank. The stroker crank. They don't want you to have a stroker crank no more. They saying it should just be a regular 350 with some heads on it. What race you ready to see tonight, man? I need to go and gamble on.
Man, let's do this here. Seacrest running from Lottie Dottie. Tell me to get some nuts. You need to borrow mine, you can get it.
Yeah. Silver surfing out here, y'all. I'm over here trying to share all these videos, y'all. We got Miss Maverick coming up now, y'all. Look, this is my YouTube. Hey, yeah, tell them, hey, which one, 4.8 or 5.3? LS motor. Oh, you got a 5.3? Oh, okay, well, hey, that's a good choice.
The oldest were standing up here so we can fucking see.
Oh, okay, y'all couldn't see. Oh. Oh, yeah, okay. It might be a 4.8 then. It might be a 4.8. You closer to 4.8 than 5.3. You don't know nothing about that? Yeah, that's what I'm trying to tell you. That's top of the line. bump through, man. Flip ain't playing no games no more. Bet 20. Hey, man, flip. Hey, Flip, turn that light on, man. Where y'all at, man? Left lane. Damn, oh, that's Flacco. Everybody betting on the other side. Right lane for the win, y'all. Flacco broke loose up top. I like this car right here. They racing on 26s, y'all. Damn, look how long this car is. On the other side way faster. Right lane for the win, y'all. My boy say this lane fucked up over here, man.
Hey, look, everybody looking at it, look. This lane fucked up, man.
Hey, why they looking at it? What? Hey, why? What's up, man? What you think about? They talking about something?
5 upsets in a row.
5 up. They said that left lane ain't right.
It ain't the left lane.
It ain't the left lane? Okay. It's racing? Yeah.
There ain't no point in this racing.
5 upsets in a row.